Honey, she's afraid of your face. No, just like that. I think it's okay, right? Hi guys, good afternoon. I just get out from shower and these two puppies just keep making noises. Just keep making too much noise. You heard somebody outside, right? That's why, right, Misty? I stop it. My head ache is aching. What is it? Hi guys, I fall asleep. It is it is already 4:15 and my headache is getting worse. And the dog also is sleeping. Okay, where is your sister? Hi Roxy. Mama's getting up and drink water. Loco's here. Just come over here. Humpty Humpty boy. What a sweet little mon. What a sweet little money. Where you going? Where you going? You can't help yourself. Hi, baby Hubs. I love my Hubsy boy. I love you, little boy. I know, Misty. I know you want to be lovey-dovey too. I know that. I know that. I know. Those I know. Hmm? You are such a sweet little puppy. You are a sweet little puppy. You are. Roxy. That's what happened. You always see people. Roxy, come here, Misty. Go get your sister. Come here. Kind of very bored today. I marinated. I marinate some salmon. So, not in a good mood. Yeah, not in a good mood at all. This guys. Hi guys, good evening guys. I'm in bed and I know I haven't vlogged a lot today because I fall asleep like the whole evening, the whole afternoon. Also, I kind of like slow down a little bit. And there's another one. My phone is low but so quick. I think I have to reboot this more often because I notice I've been using my cell phone vlogging more often. Usually I use my iPhone all the time and yeah, it's like low but that easy. And my husband told me to reboot uh every every other day and I don't have I don't know, I just don't feel like rebooting my phone all the time. And yeah, so that's the reason. And I think I have to convince myself keep using my camera guys. This camera, I don't know if you see it more closely. This camera, hold on. This camera like this and this, yeah, I don't, you can see sometimes I use this but not all the time. And I have this holder. My husband got this tripod, the old tripod. He got two of this, the old tripods. And yeah, so this is Wi-Fi. Like if I take pictures, it went, if I have a Wi-Fi, you know, it goes to Instagram, Facebook. And yeah, okay, let me transfer to this one. Let's see how it looks. I like, you know, the thing I like about using camera, I can see myself over there, how I look. And this one is very clear that you can see all the ugliness on my face. Okay, turn over. So now I transfer it over here, and I think you can see the whole thing of this one. It's big, it's a big angle, and it's more clearer. And be honest to you, after I vlog, every time I vlog with this camera, guys, I always check the quality, and if it's the quality is bad, I have to revlog it with my phone. And yeah, so that's always happen. And I'm staring at this thing in the, I don't know if you can see that black, that thing over there. But yeah, so I'm going to bed, and if you haven't subscribed yet, I appreciate all of you guys watching my vlog, and I also appreciate all the comments. Yeah, as you notice, I like replying to you guys comments. I always on my phone waiting for somebody to comment my video. It's like makes me like so happy to read all the comments that you guys did. And yeah, so very thankful of you guys. And yeah, see you in my next vlog. Bye bye. Subscribe it, and if you want to share my video, you can do it also. I really also appreciate that. Good night, guys. Bye bye. Good morning, guys. I need to close this door. Okay. Hi, Rox. You don't even know how to close the door, Roxy. You don't even know how to close the door. You too. The two of you. Intus. Good morning. Are you gonna say good morning to your friend? Good morning, friend. Good morning, friend. Good morning, friend. Yes. Good morning, Misty. Yeah, my husband is home. We are not going to the other house, guys. The lens is dirty. I don't know how can I clean this. Hold on, guys. Yeah, we're not going upstate because Wednesday I'm going to take some 5-hour class for free licensing. My husband is home, and he's always in the phone as usual. Like he doesn't change with that. Okay. And look who's there. Hi.
Involved next week from the new county or the new district.
Hi, Yams. Hello, baby ni mama na po.
And they're owned by a city, so pretty much they,
Can't even do vacuum because the air conditioning is running, and if you do vacuum when the air conditioning is running, you blow the circuit out. So I can do it, so I have to wait until he will shut that off. I know when he will go shower, I will shut off. And I'm uploading some video here. It is processing already, guys, and it is 5 minutes remaining. This camera is kind of very slow, and yeah, it's almost done. Shout out to my viewers. Hold on, guys. Hi to Fee Morales. Thank you, sis, for your comments, and thank you for watching. Black Flag. Hi. Granny GGB. Morpheus. Elena Morgan. Hi, sis. Thank you for watching. Somebody asked me, Isa Libredelia asked me if I really have a twin sister. No, I don't have a twin sister, sis. I just edit it to, I just like edit my editors. Is like I'm standing in this place and I go into other place and then I just edit it in one time and I put it all together. So it looks like I have a twin. Hi, Danica Montgomery. Hi, thank you for watching. Ima Magsiko, thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Violeta Avelino, thank you for watching. Hi to Anal Jerunaga or Hana. I think Jana. I read it backward. Yeah, thank you for watching. Lovely mom, as usual. Thank you, sis, for watching. I would like to say thank you to my new subscriber. I don't know. I'm sorry, guys. That's why I have to put this over here that you guys can see. Safia Arabilia Gawai. Mick Gia. Thank you. Jima Madriu. Thank you. Extra Overmads. Thank you. Zaya Yori. Thank you. Kat Venus. Thank you. Glidion Sariel. Thank you. Anjali Sakani. Thank you. Ruby Ann Santos. Thank you. Marie Carmen. Thank you. Pinaliving in the RGBT Texas. Hi. Maricho Villamor. Ad Laon Singnon. Thank you. Didi. Thank you for subscribing. Hoviono. Thank you. Pearl Saturday. Thank you. Fee Morales. Thank you. Lisa Rijuso, thank you. Christina Kanapi, Marivic Salangsang, thank you guys. Eva Abiho, thank you. Lavender Ranger, thank you. Sherilyn Dagani, thank you. David Ito 916, thank you. Paul Laros, thank you. Chris Ilahada, thank you. Daniel Craig, thank you. Goiji, thank you. Filipina Dreamer, thank you. Thank you to all of you. Malin Bao, thank you. Sweet Walang Masabi, hi, Sweet Walang Masabi talaga. Italica 65, Love Song
G, VJ, GJ, Whitney Caney, thank you, Ronald, thank you, Helen Smith, thank you, Emma Magsiko, thank you to all of you guys for subscribing my channel. And yeah, I really do appreciate all of you, and keep subscribing if you haven't subscribed yet. Bye.
So hubby and I will do the challenge. I'm gonna start cooking it. I thought you went to the shower first, but no. Dimples! This is I'm going to do. I'm going to boil this.
Well, Andrea managed to get her dentist appointment again, so
Okay.
for 8:30. I don't feel bad that she canceled that.
Hey. Challenge. We did a challenge, guys, and you know what? I win!